Yeah. Hello. Yeah. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm kind of Rhymes, the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah. So, welcome all my new subscribers and the old ones. I say you're welcome to your fresh and new episode on my noble and humble channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure that you subscribe so that we can reach 4,000 subscribers before this month ends. We are in November, so happy new month to all my subscribers. Yeah. So today I want to show you some simple thing. Yeah, I want to show you how you can create a high rate market with a low budget. I hope it will sound like no, you don't understand it. So let me break it down. Yeah, I want to show you how you can create a higher market adverts on Ramitano with a low budget. So let's say if you have only one USDT, and you want to make it, let's say, two USDT from just one trade. That is what I want to show you on just this app. Yeah, I want to show you on just this app. So when I come here, this is the value of BTC, Ethereum, we have Renac, we have USDT, you have USDC. Yeah, so right now, if you have 11.92, it's equivalent to what? 1 USDT. So let's say if you have 11.92 CDs, you can buy what? You can buy 1 USDT. Yeah. So if you want to download this app, a lot of people have been saying that they can't find this app on Play Store and things. So I will leave this app link in my description. So you have to what? Download from the link in my description, and you are good to go. Yeah. So I will see the USDT. We have, if you want to buy the USDT, you will spend only 11.92 on USDT. So that means that we are about to buy the USDT at the lower cost, at the lower rate. So because like if you go to Eversend or Yellow Card or Binance, you see that Yellow Card rate of USDT is around 12.2 something, and Eversend rate is around 12.18, and Binance is around 12.4 something. So that thing. So on this app, the rate on this app is 11.92. If you want to buy USDT, you have to spend only 11.92 cedis. So obviously you have points, you have price, and you have hours. So the 24 hours means that that's the market. So right now the Bitcoin is going up, the Ethereum is going up, the Renec is going up, and the USDT is what's coming down by negative 0.02%. Have you seen it? Yeah. And the USD is right now 0.00. It has been stuck. Yeah. So we will click on the USDT. So if we click on the USDT, this is how it is. You see that thing. So market prices, one USDT is equal to what? 11.92. So it means that, so let's see. So it means that when we are spending 10,000 cities, 1,000 cities, we will get 83.21. 83.21. Or let's say we want to start with a lower price so that, like, yeah, so let's say it's 100 cities, 100 cities, 100 cities, 100 cities, we will get 8.32. So if I spend 100 cities on USDT, I'll get 8.32. So if I click on the buy, that means I'm buying what? I'm buying I'm buying USDT at the rate of what? 11.92 Ghana cedis. You see that thing? Yeah. So if I buy this thing finish, this how you will create your higher market value. And one thing about this thing is like you can also determine that the market price, that is 11.92, is very H for you. So you can also go for your own price. So your own price. That's now I will not buy it 11 points. I'll buy it now. I'll not buy it on the like. I'll not buy it with the market price. So I'll also edit and what buy it with my own price. So you can click here and edit it. Let's say I want to buy it 11 Ghana cedis. Yeah. So you can see you can also input your own price over there, and you can also input your own price over there. Yeah. So after buying this 100 cities, and we got 8.32 USDT. This is where you will sell it at the higher price, at the higher market. That's what I was talking about. You go to P2P. 15 hours later, I finally made it. You come to the P2P market, and since we bought the thing 11.92 cities, so we have to sell it high. So this is how you do it. You scroll down and you create selling, you create your selling ad. So this is how you do it. So so here